Waiting is hard, but waiting for a massive LLM to finish its inference, that's a special kind of modern torture. For years, we've been completely spoiled by instantaneous search results. You hit enter, and bam, the world's knowledge is at your fingertips. But now, we're using these incredibly powerful, massive reasoning models that actually take time to process requests. And while it thinks, we wait, and we wait, and we panic. Did the app hang? Is it broken? Did I break the internet? When a screen freezes, users assume it's broken. When a screen shows activity, users assume it's working. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn your AI from a frustrating silent black box into a beautiful, engaging glass box using a concept called operational transparency. To fix our AI problem, we actually need to look at the London bus system. Researchers studying transport for London found something fascinating. When they installed digital timetables at bus stops, commuters felt significantly less anxious. Were the buses faster? No. Were the buses on time more? Also, no. Regular commuters usually know a bus is running late, but seeing the system acknowledge the delay reduces the cognitive load of uncertainty. It gives the system credibility. We could do the exact same thing with our LLMs. By tapping into the thought signatures these models emit while processing, we might not get the final answer faster, but we give our users peace of mind. We let them know, hey, I'm thinking about this problem for you. So let's get into the code. We're going to use Firebase AI Logic and Gemini to intercept these thoughts and stream them as status updates. Step 1, initialization. We set up our model. Here, we're using Gemini 3 Flash Preview. The magic happens inside the generation config. We add a thinking config and set include thoughts to true. If you forget this step, on newer models, it'll still work, but on older models, it won't have thoughts. Step 2 is capturing that stream. We create an async generator function. As the model chews on your prompt, it yields chunks of data. We process these chunks in a loop. If a chunk contains a thought summary, we grab it. Right now, Gemini models typically wrap their main thought steps in a bold markdown, these double asterisks. So we use a quick regular expression to extract that bolded title. We then yield that specific thought back to our app, keeping the stream flowing continuously before the actual response text even begins. Finally, step 3, updating the DOM. We take those yielded thoughts and push them to the UI. We shouldn't trust the raw AI outputs directly, so I'm going to pass it through DOM Purify just before setting the inner HTML value, just in case of a hallucination. We wrap our fresh thoughts in a span, apply some slick CSS animations, and render it to the user. And we get a final result. Instead of staring at a frozen screen, your user sees exactly what the model is doing in real time, just like that countdown clock at the London bus stop. These thought bubbles verify that the system is working hard for them. So we've just transformed a frustrating waiting experience into an engaging, transparent interaction. Let me know what kind of AI features you're building in the comments below. I'm Noe, and I cannot wait to see what you build next.